Welcome to the Beijing Auto Show. I'm here with Geely, one of China's most successful domestic car manufacturers. With me is Lin Zhang, the General Manager in charge of Geely's international operations. Mr. Zhang, thank you very much for joining us. China, of course, is the world's biggest auto market, and it's still growing at a relatively fast pace of about 10%. But Chinese brands have been struggling quite a bit. Your own sales were down in the first quarter. What are some of the reasons for that decline? And do you believe it will be very long before Chinese brand cars are as popular in the US and Europe as Japanese and Korean cars are now?
Competition is getting fierce and fierce. It's like any market. The sales momentum was very strong in the last few years in China. Everybody able to grow. But now market slowed down. I think the competition is more fierce. The other thing we see, our competitors, particularly the multinational, they try to broaden their offering in terms of products as well as price range. So now there's more indirect competition with the Chinese brands, where Chinese brands also intend to go upwards to expand our offering into a higher segments. So naturally there's a stronger competition. I believe the slowdown or the increased slowdown of Chinese brand is temporary. We have to adjust to the market situation.
China's market has been growing very strongly over recent years, but that's been on the back of economic growth that's been 8% or more. Now that people are concerned about growth coming in below 7.5%, will that impact your sales growth in China?
It will. We already seen some of that because the slowdown we already seen starting in the auto market. Because in the past few years we enjoyed 20-30%. Now it's already down to the teens, and continue on. I think within 10%, that's also likely. So the market gonna slow a little bit, and we need to adapt to that. And also to start see the in the first tier, second tier, the market really saturated. Now moving to third tier and fourth tier. So what that means is competition gonna be stronger, and we have to work in that environment, understand how to make up with this in a highly competitive market. Just like we go to Europe, we need to understand how we compete with European manufacturers, Korean manufacturers, or Japanese manufacturers in the European market.